Hi, welcome to another shorts video. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a toilet paper roll monster. First, you needed to cut like that part and yeah. And then cut this. Cut a part of that. And then cut a few triangles out. Okay, so, and then another one. And then cut parts of the toilet paper roll. Make sure to use both sides now. You mean like this. So make sure to do this, okay? And then where is it? Okay, so and put it out, and then put that thing right here. So that's what. And then add a lot of details to it. You like that? I'm gonna add some decorations. I'm gonna add some details. See ya. I'll see you later. Ta-da! Hit like and subscribe for more great shorts of, yeah, never mind. Bye.